Welcome to Teacher Lola Rose channel. This is my grandma, Lola Rose.
This is my grandson, Roro.
Good morning,
Good afternoon.
good evening, mga higala!
Alright. What is our topic for today, Roro?
Our topic for today is the Gilas Pilipinas
Gilas Pilipinas versus
Latvia. Yeah.
Wow.
If you haven't seen the game, I will tell you. Because the Gilas Pilipinas had a dominating game against Latvia. And surely, ginulat ang mundo. Mga higala.
Okay.
It is not anymore before. It returns. Because we have watched a stunning game with the final score of 80-89 with a 9-point lead by Gilas Pilipinas.
Whoa.
That is amazing. Amazing, mga higala. Because Gilas has not won by a European team yet. Since many years.
Only now.
And today is the first win against a European team. And they won it like they were just playing in the PBA. Especially Junmar Fajardo. And also, Justin Brownlee had a triple-double. A triple-double, mga higala. With 26 points. Along with 9 rebounds. 9 assists, 1 steal, and 1 block. That's an amazing stat line for our naturalized player, which is Justin Brownlee. Then our 7'3" Kai Soto scored 18 points, and he surely impressed everybody, and he shocked the world. Ginulat ang mundo. With also 8 rebounds, 1 rebound, and 1 block. Those are amazing assists. And also, Gilas Pilipinas are in Group A, not Group B in the OQT. And also, they are now 1-0. 1-0, 1 win, 0 loss. And if we win against Georgia, it means we're gonna have 2-0. And that game would happen at 8:30 p.m. at night, mga higala. Today. And if Gilas loses by just a little, it's still okay. Because they will still go to the semifinals. And Philippines and Latvia will go to the semifinals. And if we win against Georgia, we will be the first in Group A. Meaning, we will face the second rank of the other group. So that would be good for Philippines if we win the 2 games today. We win already 1. 1 more win left to secure the first spot of our group so that we can face the second spot of the other group. And it will be an epic battle. And also David Bertans and Darius Bertans, they were on fire because they shoot threes well. But it did not work because we stopped them, mga higala. Gilas Pilipinas were able to stop and protect our ring to get shot in. And worked successfully. And they won! Gilas Pilipinas, winner of the first game. And also, Chris Newsom played well. And also again, Gilas Pilipinas caught fire right away with a hot 8-0 start, with Gilas scoring 8 points and the opponent scoring 0 in the beginning, led by as many as 18 early in the second period, with the troika of Soto, Junmar Fajardo, and Justin Brownlee causing headaches for the host by bringing Gilas to a 36-18 lead. 36 is the Gilas Pilipinas. The 18 is Latvia. And also, Latvia showed resistance with unloading an 18-9 rampage. It means that Latvia scored 18 while Philippines only scored 9. That sliced the gap to only a single digit instead of a double digit like 10. It became smaller. But 1 digit is still big. But Latvia never tied up to us. The only tie was at the beginning when it was 0-0. Mga higala. They did not tie at all. They did not tie anything. And also, Brownlee, he came clutch in the fourth quarter, mga higala, with a clutch 4-point play by scoring a 3-pointer, get fouled, +1 free throw. And that's good. And also, CJ Perez hit an amazing, impressive buzzer beater to end the first quarter for Gilas. He buried his long bomb to make it a big lead. And also, Latvia played well. And the fans were sad. Of course, because if Gilas lost, we would also be sad. That's normal, mga higala. Because if Latvia won, they would be happy, Gilas would be sad. It's normal, mga higala. And also, they played very well. The entire Gilas team played well. Japet Aguilar, Calvin Oftana, Chris Newsom, Carl Tamayo, Kevin Kiambao, Kyle Soto, Brownlee, Dwight Ramos. They played well. Everybody played well. And Kyle Tamayo was like not really playing well because he had back-to-back mistakes, leaving the Latvia to score 5 points in those 2 mistakes of Kyle Tamayo. But it's fine for now because we won. But if it happens again and we lose, it's not that we're fine. Mga higala, Tim Cone needs adjustment already. And I think that Tim Cone is a very great coach.
Yes.
Greatest of all time in the Philippines. For me. But in my opinion. Not the others' opinion. Mga higala. And also, Kai Soto should surely have an NBA contract because he played against an NBA player and scored 18 points. And almost everyone in Latvia is former NBA player. Almost all. And then they lost to a team with no NBA players. But Justin Brownlee is an NBA player for 3 days only.
3 days.
3 days because he got injured and then he got released by the New York Knicks. But that was long ago. That was before Barangay Ginebra, San Miguel. And yeah, that game was insane. It shocked everybody, the whole world, even little ants. Ginulat ang mundo. Gilas Pilipinas shocks the world. The entire team shocks the world with a 37th in the whole world ranked, beats a number 6 in the whole world. 37th is Gilas, 6th Latvia. We win.
Very good.
That's insane. How do a 37th beat a 6th?
Yes, beautiful.
That's very far. So it means Gilas has improved through the years.
Yes.
And also, they only had 3 days of training. Because, I don't know. And also, they couldn't train a lot because they keep transferring countries every now and then. But now it's better because it's hosted in Latvia. So they don't need to go to Georgia. They just stay in their hotel to rest. And then they practice for a while. Because there's gonna be another game tonight. At 8:30 p.m. And for them, it would be probably morning. Morning? No, not really morning because we're just ahead by little hours, not like America. Like maybe there are 4 p.m. in their time. Mga higala, I think that's all. We are done, mga higala. Please, like. Make sure to subscribe, so that we can be monetized. Thank you for your support. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for watching till the end. Thank you for supporting Gilas Pilipinas. See you next video. Bye!
Bye-bye.